balls to go.
Yeah, he gets it now. He surely gets it now. He was in the slot and he went up with the swing.
He's thinking, why did I do that the first ball?
Into the 90s now. Harare Hurricanes 91 for 6. Slower one, and he's put that away. This is some serious power hitting.
It's brutal. There's only one way to describe it.
Where does he go? Full and wide, and that's been put away over point. That is a tough shot to play, but my word. 3 sixes in a row. Again, 4 in a row. Wow. Aren't you glad to be
live match देखने?
Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Wow, he has single-handedly changed the game in favor of Harare. 115 after 10.
Goodness me.